this is how you can delete your history in ElevenLabs, especially for the generations that you created via text-to-speech. Number one, you can navigate to elevenlabs.io and you can log in with your account. And by the way, you have to use the desktop platform. And after that, go to text-to-speech and then go to history. So here you'll see a list of generations that you created on this particular tool. And to delete multiple items, you can click this icon that says Manage History and then select the items that you want to remove. And after that, click Delete. And these two items are basically removed from the list. But what if you want to delete all of that? You want to delete the entire generations that you created? Well, you can click this icon that says Select All. And as you can see, it is showing only 20, even though I know for sure that I have generated hundreds of items. Well, that's because it is only selecting the items that have been loaded on this page. And if you want to select all of them, then you have to actually scroll down to the very bottom. And this is unfortunately a manual process. So you have to actually scroll to the very bottom, and if you have plenty of generations, then this could take quite a while. But basically, once you reach to the end, you can click this icon again, select all, and then you can click delete. And after that, just wait for ElevenLabs to remove all the items that you have selected. It is a tedious process because right now you cannot delete all of them at once. There is still some manual work involved, but that is the closest thing that you can do to delete your history on ElevenLabs, especially for the text-to-speech platform. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.